Hi, I'm Jack Mascone, and I'm the head of capital markets at Seaport Global Securities. We are a 350-person global investment bank broker-dealer headquartered in New York. So we've been active in the cannabis sector since the latter half of 2019, so for about 3 years. We closed our first capital raising transaction in the third quarter of 2020. We're a very active originator and advisor in the debt sector. We also have a full-service equity research coverage effort, as well as an M&A practice, and we also do other advisory and capital markets advisory work. So as I said, we're pretty active in the cannabis sector. We've raised north of $1.2 billion in debt alone, over 1.65 in total with other forms of securities and cannabis-related companies. But quite frankly, one of the corporate clients we have is Air Wellness, and I've known John Sandelman for a long time, even in a prior professional life, as well as his co-chief operating officer, Jen Drake. So when I saw this was in East Hampton, we reached out and they said they were going to be here. So I thought we'd call up Gary and see if he would slot us in as a sponsor. And he was kind enough to do so. Yeah, well, first of all, this is a great setting. So obviously just from this, not a bad way to spend a Saturday afternoon in East Hampton. And so that intimacy lends itself to some good discussion. There's a pretty high-profile list of people here, which is always helpful to make connections and catch up with some folks. And it's just very, very nice time of the summer to be in the Hamptons, so it wasn't too hard to get us out here. Gary's done a great job of bringing a lot of thought leaders together. I generally don't think of myself as one of those thought leaders, but I do benefit from hearing their perspectives. You also get to see some of their body language, and it was particularly helpful for me to get some of a read, however high level, with the New York regulatory situation, which I think, as has been highlighted by a number of the panelists, is going to be a key development for the industry over the next 6 to 12 months. And hopefully we find a good way to make New York a attractive state, because obviously it's a great population base and really a big opportunity for the cannabis industry as a whole.